I tell you, ain't nothing better than getting in your car and all this wonderful music that you used to listen to when you were younger. 80s music, that is my thing. 80s music is my thing, you know. Men at Work, Loverboy, I think he was 80s. You know, all kinds of good ones like that. Michael Jackson. I'm telling you, I heard a great song on the way to the grocery store, so it made me in a feel good. It got me in my feelings. It got me in my feelings, and I'm telling you, I'm in a good mood today just because of that. It was Michael Jackson, and it was Dirty Diana, so that's one of my favorite. I love Michael Jackson. God, I still look so haggard. I gotta go get something done with my hair. My age is showing. Anyway, I got a haul for you, a very small haul. I just got back from our local grocery store, and I spent $123. Yesterday, I went to Walmart, and I spent a lot more than that, maybe double. Food prices are just absolutely crazy. Let me show you what I got. Honestly, not a lot. I got 2 packs of chicken breast because I'm going to do a bruschetta chicken recipe for you guys. I'm not doing that today. This is Father's Day weekend. I got some tea. I'm going to show you how I make my stovetop tea versus my sun tea, which is really super good. But this is Father's Day weekend, and I'm going to be cooking for my husband this weekend. I got some basil, fresh basil. I got me some bologna. I am a bologna type girl, and it's going to be later that we eat, so I'm going to make me a bologna sandwich here in a minute. And I also got some, what is this? Old-fashioned loaf. I love old-fashioned loaf. It is so good. I might make me a combo old-fashioned loaf bologna. I'm a bologna girl, guys. I was raised on bologna. I bought some ice cream because I bought a pie. Like I said, it's Father's Day weekend. And I'm treating the hubby to some goodies. I asked him, what do you want? What do you want for Father's Day weekend to eat? I'll cook anything you want. Being the good woman that I am, I got some Roma tomatoes that's going to go on my bruschetta chicken. And his two favorite things to eat in this world is pizza. And I'm like, no, can't do pizza. I'm not. He's burnt me out on pizza, and he loves lasagna. So it's been a while since I made it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some lasagna on for him today. Sauce. I'm getting ready to start my sauce here in a little bit, but y'all have already seen me make that like 2 million times. So I'm not gonna show you that, but you know, we may talk. You can keep me company while I'm making it. I also bought some Mexican cheese. Olivia loves this because she likes to make quesadillas, homemade quesadillas. I bought some mozzarella to go on my bruschetta chicken. I bought a little thing of green beans because I feel that I need something green with that bruschetta chicken. That I'm going to cook for dinner Monday. This is Saturday. So I'm just going to fry those up quickly in some olive oil and garlic. Make the husband a salad. And because he won't eat green beans. I've offered everything in the world for him to try green beans. He just won't eat them. And what else? Oh, I'm going to make some orzo. Some type of creamy garlicky Parmesan orzo. I think that would go perfect with that. Also bought a bag of onions. You don't need to see the onions. Y'all know what onions look like. And then I bought a couple lemons. They have them on sale for 69 cents a piece. And some garlic. I bought some garlic. Not sure if I had enough garlic for my sauce today. I'll get my ice cream put in the freezer. And chicken, that. Tomatoes, lemon. I got another bag. 1 minute. Can you believe this was $123? And then I bought Olivia some blackberries and raspberries because she likes those. They had them 2 for $5. And then I bought a block, I can't see without my glasses that are on top of my head, of Parmesan cheese. So I'm gonna get these groceries put up. It is absolutely gorgeous here today in the great state of Ohio. It is actually kind of chilly, but it's gonna be a perfect day. Oh, I also bought her some butterfly shrimp. She loves this, so. Gotta take care of my girl. I may have bought a 12-pack of beer, too. I bought this Marie Callender Dutch apple pie. It's one of my husband's favorites. So, like I said, it's all about him this weekend. Guys, we can do anything for a day, right? I'm just kidding. I love my husband most of the time. So, what we're going to do is, we're going to bake this 400 degrees. We're going to get this in the oven, and I might make a cake as well. I might do, I also thought about, and I know I said it on a previous video, I bought everything to make a peach cobbler, and that would go so good with that vanilla ice cream. You can't even see what I'm doing. You're just looking at my ugly t-shirt. I might get everything together and throw a peach cobbler in the oven after I get my lasagna out. That way to be, by the time everybody's food is settled, that nice hot peach cobbler would be coming out of the oven. But I haven't made up my mind yet. I'm going to make it this week. I just don't know if I'm going to make it today. So all you do with this is you put it, this is easy. Voila, pie goes in the oven. I am still waiting on that oven. I tell you, I think I've had that oven, that stove for about, well, let's see, we moved out here in '97, and then we bought that stove. I was working at a local hospital then. I hate cutting this off. I heard that if you don't cut this off, you don't cry, so you know what, I'm going to try it. You know what, I just want to get this done. My makeup's on point too today. I'm gonna be crying. What were we talking about? Oh, I bought that stove, and well, like I said, we moved out here in '97, so we probably bought that stove within a year. Dang, wasting my onion. My mama would not be proud. Probably about a year after we moved out here, we bought a new stove. So 98. 28, 18, 20. So this oven, oh my gosh. Look at that stuff everywhere. I hate those little, you hear those roosters? It's either roosters or goats, right? Anyway, my stove is, dang, it's an antique. Wouldn't you say it's an antique? I'm just roughly chopping this because it'll break up in my sauce, it'll cook down, and I'm not in the mood to have my eyes start bothering me. These knives are so dull. I need some new knives. The husband is out back. Like I said, he's mowing grass. That always makes me mad when he's mowing grass. Well, it doesn't make me mad, but I dread when I come home and he's out back in the field mowing grass, because it's like I have to pack all these groceries for myself, and you know, I always look forward to if he comes out there and helps me, but he's out in the field mowing. But you know what, you got to get it done. So gosh, this knife is dull. That's it. I'm not cutting them any. Well, let's run our knife roll one more time. I'm going to put these on a paper plate, and then I'm going to chop me some garlic up, because I want to get my sauce on. I want to get it, I like for my sauce to cook for good 2.5, 3 hours. You know what I need? I need one of those like scrapers that you scrape to put your stuff on. Oh my gosh. That is burning. On other stuff, you know. Oh, oven's ready. Gotta get my pie in there. Because like I said, I might make that cake. And it ain't gonna be nothing fancy. His cake, you know, it's all about him. Father's Day weekend. Lord have mercy, those onions they get stronger by the day. Whew, Lord, I can't take that. I gotta get that onion juice off there so it'll stop burning my eyes. Let's move this somewhere else. Can't take it. I don't know what I was saying. You know what? He lives with me, and I love to cook. But his favorite cake is just a plain, simple box yellow cake with buttercream icing. So, I got a hair on my finger. Get that off. That'd be easy. Easy. And I'm not really, I used to love those cakes when growing up, just like little box cakes. I thought it was like a treat when Mom would make those box cakes, you know. I always liked chocolate better. I thought I did anyway until I started eating the yellow. Whew, I'd say 2 would be enough, wouldn't you? Those are some big old cloves. That'd be plenty. But actually, I was supposed to make, good Lord, that's a big clove of garlic. Well, half of it flew off. My daughter's gonna get up. She's gonna be like, what are you doing? But he loves those yellow cakes, and you know, it is what it is. It's easy, so I'll probably just go ahead. I bought the stuff to make him one. His birthday was the end of May, and I was supposed to make it then, but I didn't, so. I'm not a very good wife, am I? Let me cut some of these ugly pieces off. Got a hair on my finger. That's all I need is a hair in my pasta sauce. Oh well, I had a shower today, right? So, be a clean one if it is. Oh, no wonder that's so big. That's like 3 cloves of garlic in one. Get these cut up. And then I bought some hamburger yesterday at Walmart, which, let me tell you something. You really got to watch when you buy stuff at the grocery store. I picked up, this is how spoiled he is. Not only is he getting lasagna today, and dessert, and I'm making salad, and some Texas toast. Tomorrow, because actually tomorrow's Father's Day, but you know, you gotta make people feel important in your life and loved. But tomorrow's Father's Day, and tomorrow I'm gonna get up and make a big breakfast. Biscuits, gravy, and the whole works. You gotta make them feel special. This is a little over 2 pounds, so we're gonna go ahead and listen to them. They're going for a walk. They're like super excited. God. I'm going to use probably, I'm going to use about a pound and a half of it. I'm making, I forgot to get Roscoe. He'll be in here in a minute. I forgot to get some of those little metal pans, you know, those ones that you throw away, because that's what I like to when I'm making like a big bunch of stuff, because my kids are supposed to come over today. That's how you get your kids to come over to cook. I hope they're coming over. Sir, be patient. But I really, you know, I've told you guys this before, I don't like my lasagna like super meaty. Look at that. As she puts a ton of meat in the bowl. Listen to that baby. Listen to him. He loves his daddy. He's super excited. I'm going to just wrap the rest of that up. That'll make somebody a burger one day, right? Those dogs are crazy. They're crazy. You know what? I don't think that we're going to have to, I don't know if we're going to have to drain this or not, because it looks pretty, lean. I'm gonna get this browned up, and then I'm gonna see, because you all know I already like to drain my meat before I put my onions and garlic in there. Waste all that flavor. So I'm gonna wait and see what that does before I decide to add anything to it, because if it's lean enough, I might just throw my onions and garlic in there. Today I'm cooking, like I said, in this big Dutch oven because I want to make a ton of sauce, because I'm making 2 big trays of spaghetti, or not spaghetti, lasagna, and then that way the boys can take some home if they, you know, they have something good to eat. I love homemade lasagna. I used to not be a lasagna fan. Yeah, I don't think that's going to render much fat at all. I might have to put just a little bit of olive oil in that. I'm going to go ahead and put my onions in. Watch. I'm going to put these onions, garlic in there, and it's going to have a whole bunch of grease come out of it, and I'm going to be mad. There. want you to look at my beautiful lasagna. Can you see that? Look at that. Look at that nice salad I made. I got another one I got to get out of here. I'm going to get my garlic toast in the oven. I'm going to let this sit. And we're going to eat. I hope you enjoy this video. You know I love you guys very much. I appreciate you. and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Take care.